Hi guys, it's Kyle with Swimming Pool Services here. Just wanted to talk over some more water care related stuff. Today we're going to talk about the at-ease system. At this point it's probably our second most popular option behind our saltwater system. This is for weekly maintenance specific to a hot tub. They do make these now for swim spas as well, so they do have a bigger version of it. If you have a swim spa, this only is up to 600 gallons, I believe. Anything beyond that, you have to use the special swim spa related frog. But the system itself is the exact same thing. So we're going to go into a little bit more detail on what this actually does for you. So, frog at ease. Here is how it actually looks out of the box when you put it together. You have a top cartridge and a bottom cartridge. The top one, or the blue one, is a mineral cartridge. This one lasts for 4 months. The idea behind it is water will pass through here, and the silver inside is sanitizing the water. So it's kind of helping out your chlorine in the overall sanitation process. The bottom portion is a gray cartridge. It is adjustable depending on how strong that you want the chlorine or how much you actually use the hot tub. This one lasts up to a month. And I say up to because depending on how high you have this dial, it's on a 1 to 4 scale, 4 being the highest. If you set it at a 4 consistently, you're going to get a little less use out of the cartridge. Generally, I see about 2-ish weeks when it's at a 4 maximum output. Where the water passes through the blue cartridge and the blue cartridge doesn't deplete, when you open up these holes on the gray cartridge actually releases chlorine into the water. So this is, over time, going to empty itself. And the system is nice because you don't have to mark it on your calendar as far as when you're replacing these cartridges. It actually will tip over, just like you see here. When this gray cartridge is out, the blue cartridge never loses any material, so it becomes top heavy. And that's when you know, okay, it's time to replace my cartridge. Again, anywhere between 2 and 4 weeks is when you're having to do that. This is what we would consider to be your primary sanitizer in your hot tub. As long as you're using this in addition to a weekly shock, most people have a lot of success with it, and it makes maintenance a lot more hands-off if something is doing it for you in the background. Just some additional things that do come with this. This startup kit also includes a bottle of test strips. It's very important that you use these test strips because the SmartChlor is their version of chlorine that's being outputted when you use this system. It will only show up on these type of test strips. If you have other ones, they're not going to work appropriately. You're going to get weird readings. So make sure to use these. If you're someone who uses this system pretty regularly, you'll start to realize these are going to pile up pretty quickly. So you'll always have some on hand. And then the only other thing that's in there is just a packet of shock for the initial startup process. That's pretty much everything you get. Now, this box is just for the first month because you only get 1 gray cartridge. We do have a replacement box that's 3 gray cartridges. So what we always recommend is to have one of these boxes and one of the other, and that is a full 4-month supply. That's the best way to buy it, in my opinion, and just a little bit easier way to stay on top of it so that you have chemicals on hand.